Go first.
Hey Isaac, my name is Rahul. I'm currently the Information Systems Manager for Isaac UAE, as well as part of the MENA GN board as IS Manager, as well as part of the Global Information Systems team. For me, MyISAC.net is seen as a completion of many years of hard work of various ISAC international teams of 2005-2006, 2006-2007, and 2007-2008. I've been there since the launch of the system at IC 2006 in Poland, and seeing that, I really was very excited for it and wanted to be there as part of the exciting launch that was going to be there in Turkey a year later. It was my great pleasure that I was being given the main responsible person from the CC to organize this entire session, and it was a really tremendous honor and excitement that many of our ISAC members who were present there really enjoyed the session. As part of the global IS Musketeers team, I can tell you it's been 8 months of a lot of hard work and planning by us to make sure that we can ensure and get the best information systems possible for you guys, the members of the ISAC network. You'll not believe how advanced our system actually is. Just the other day I was sitting with a few friends of mine, and someone was talking to me about an information systems platform that's used for various offices around the world. And as someone was telling about various features, I was like, man, we're really lucky that ISAC International has ensured to incorporate all such features that is going to benefit us in our work and help us in our ISAC experience. And to explain how it can help people specifically, and you as ISAC member specifically, no matter what function or role you are, I have with me right now the MC of ISAC UAE, who will individually tell you what their favorite part of the system is and how it helps them in their work. So you start off with Emil.
Hello everybody, my name is Emil. I'm working as MCVPR here in the UAE. To be honest with you, I was quite suspicious in the beginning with all this waiting for a new system to be launched and postponed and launched, etc. But this week I was attending the virtual classes, and what I saw really made quite a good impression to me. I was in the ER track, of course, and the partnership menu was something that I truly believe will make a new beginning for us doing CRM in ISAC. Back in the years, my predecessor used to pay for basic CRM services to other companies, and I had quite some issues even though. And now MyISAC.net is providing us with the opportunity to be using this feature incorporated in the system, which is, I believe, something truly amazing. The opportunity to have these reminders of what you should do about the key accounts is something that I do think that we will start adding benefits straight from the start. And the promises from the global IS team that it will be even further developed makes me believe that it's really a new start for making long-lasting relationships with companies. So looking forward to explore myself even further. And thanks IS team for all this.
Next I'd like to introduce you to Juanita. Juanita?
Hi everybody. Okay, my name is Juanita. I'm Vice President of Talent Management in UAE. And when I first saw the new system, I was kind of confused because I saw many new options and many new things. And as I started using the system, I became extremely excited because finally there was opportunity to measure and track goals and competencies, and to make sure that we're actually developing change agents as opposed to not really knowing how we are. So I'm very thankful for the new IS system, and I know that it will take TM to further heights. Thank you, IS system.
Next we have Dalia. Dalia?
Yeah, Dalia Said, MCVP Exchange, responsible here in the ISAC UAE. For me, being in the exchange area, I'm quite excited about the fact that, like, no longer are we going to have just random forms of EPs and TNs without any form of rating, but like they've actually started implementing the STAR system, where you'll be able to rate all of the different quality experiences you're providing. So it's going to be a further pressure and drive for us to make sure that all of our efforts in terms of getting the right types of experiences for interns and companies to 110%. So for me, that's motivating.
And finally, Stella.
Hello everyone, my name is Stella Grancheva. I'm CP of ISAC in the UAE. For me, when I look at the new system, there's some sections of it that I really like. For example, sections like Wiki, search option, and classified. They say that the small details makes a difference. So for me, opportunity to go to Wiki and search for documents, files, forums that I'm interested in, and to have everything systematically put where I can choose. It's something really unique, as well as having option for promoting opportunities within Classified. For example, when you look for international opportunities like MC applications, and you go to Classified, try typing MC UAE and you see our application there. Or search options where you can look for different sections and information that you're interested in. So it's really the playground that all of us can benefit from, and I'm looking forward to start working on myISIC.net from today onwards. Thank you.
So there you saw a glimpse of how the new information systems platform can help benefit people no matter what role or function you are. So whether you want to use features like the wiki, the classified, the goal settings, the partnership menus, and many other features that are provided in our systems, there's always going to be something for you that's going to benefit for you, because this system is basically focused on you, the user of the system. And this system is created very much in a way to make your life easier during your ISIC experience, as well as help facilitate your development individually and personally during your ISIC experience. Feel free to explore the various features of our new system using our education material. Email obviously any of the musketeers and we'll be ready to help you at any point of time. This system is really something for you to enjoy, explore, browse, and have fun with it. For the last 8 months of my life, it's really been an interesting place to play around, and I can definitely say that this is my playground, this is my ISIC.net. Thank you.